Hi, welcome to my channel SQL Shahid. In last two videos, I have discussed about fixed server roles. We have completed 8 fixed server roles, that is bulk inserter, DB creator, and disk admin, security admin, server admin, setup admin, and sysadmin. Okay. So there was another role that is public. Okay. Public means everyone who has login in a SQL server, right? They can connect to SQL Server. Okay, so if I give public any shutdown permission, okay, for example, so if I go here, I will take one new query. So I have here grant shutdown to public. Okay, grant shutdown to public. If I execute this command, cannot find login public. Okay, public. So commands got completed successfully. So whoever the login present in this instance, right? Every login, like here I have connected to another instance. So if we have here login 1, login 2, login 3, login 4, everyone will get this shutdown permission. Okay. So you have to be careful when giving permission to public. If I go here and open any login, if we have here server roles, right, public, so everyone can get shutdown permission. And also I have discussed about this securables in last class. Here I will revoke this. Okay, public permissions I will revoke. This revoke permission is revoke shutdown from public. If you give this revoke, now this permission is revoked from every login, whichever present in SQL Server instance. So I was discussing about securable. If I have a new login, okay, login 1 I will say, okay, login 1. I will be giving a SQL Server authentication and I will enforce, okay, policy password 1234 1234, just this simple password I am giving here. If I go to securable, so here, okay, securable, you can search any objects here, okay, any objects of all types. So if you click here, then we will be finding here which this availability group also is securable, endpoints, logins, server roles, and servers. Okay, we are focusing now on servers. Okay, servers means instance. If I click OK, I can select, means this automatically got selected. So this is the instance. In instance, whichever role we can give here, we can give, as I also discussed in my last video. So if you carefully observe here, we have here grant, and if I expand this, we have with grant deny. Okay, so you understood this grant, okay, as of now. Like you can grant permission, create, connect SQL, and we have create any database. Okay, lot of permissions are available. Create availability group. So I will be discussing that and all. I have shut down as okay. So this login one has this. I have granted him permission. Okay. So again, if I give with grant means here he can grant like to other logins. Okay, if we have login to, for example, login one can give permission to login to. So that is the meaning of with grant. Okay, and if we give to login to, then here login to will be having that permission. Okay, and also he can give. Okay, login 2 can give again to another, grant any other login 3, for example he can grant to login 3. Okay, same as it is. With grant means that is the thing. Okay, I hope you understood this. And I have deny also. Okay, you understood this grant and with grant. So what is this deny? Okay, so if we have for example, I will clear this. Okay, in fixed server roles, if I go to here, server admin means server admin, as I discussed in my previous video, all instance level settings he can change. Okay, after changing the settings, he can restart the server. Okay, he can shut down the server user. Okay, so login one can shut down. Okay, so here if I deny it, he can't shut down. Okay, if I say now, I will be giving him permission. Okay, I am creating login. In same thing I have given server admin. In user mapping, if you go here, sorry, in securables, if you go here, you have deny. Okay, I have given server roles, server admin. Okay, I have not given, I have added login one to server admin. Okay, in securable, this is you can give, you can say it as you are giving the permission. Every time in server roles, you have to say that you have added a login one to the server admin. Okay, so here we have denied. Okay, so what the thing I am trying to explain is here you have given server admin, so he can shut down also. So I am here, from here I am denying him. So it will be powerful. Okay, so I am clicking okay. So now login one has been created. If I disconnect and connect here from login one with SQL authentication, login one, you have to check box this trust server certificate, then you will be getting connected. So login one has that server instance level settings you can change and shut down. Right now, if I take new query, if I run shutdown, see now he can't shut down here. So deny is very powerful. So that is the thing I was explaining. That is the uh, use of deny permissions. Okay, so he can change any instance level settings here. He can go to properties login one, and he can change the, for example, I am changing the connection here, maximum number of 10,000 I will be changing here. See, he has been changed. Okay, from here again, if I go and connect to database engine with SYSADMIN rights within the authentication, Shahid user, my user. Okay, if I then go to security logins, so if I go to securable, then I will remove this deny means here, then he can shut down now, because I will not going to shut down here. Okay, okay, I will try once for to understand better. So now again, if you run means say SQL server has been shut down. If you right click and refresh here, you can see here. Okay, so the deny is very powerful. Okay, whenever we give at fixed server roles, then we deny from other side with insecurable. So deny will be powerful. Hope you might have understood this. See, now the SQL server has been stopped. It is taking time. Okay, see here it is in red mark. Okay, whenever you have to start this SQL services, right, you have to go to configuration manager itself. You should not start from here instance. You can start, but you have to not go through this option, because I will be explaining that also why you have to not start. Okay, we can start from here also. If I right click, okay, if I right click start also, you can start. Okay, for time being, now I will be starting here. Okay, the SQL services are getting started now. I'm starting from configuration manager. Now the instance has started. Okay, so I have started agent also now. So now both are started. You can connect to SQL Server instance. As I explained here in security in logins, if you go here on login one, on securables, deny you have known about deny. Okay, so I have given deny, okay, and then have shown you the example to how to shut down. If I deny, then he can't shut down. Okay, so deny will be powerful. Now also one more thing, if he doesn't have any permission also, login one for example, uh, if we deny here some permission, he can't view any definition, and he can't shut down, and if he can't view the server state, he can't any view database. Okay, so if I deny on this, somebody like I can I know to deny. Okay, means that user should not use those permission. Okay, view any database, view any definition. What about others? There might be other peoples also in our team who may give. Okay, so if I deny here, so any other person will come and log into the shift. Then if he see, if he ask, this user login will ask for this permission, then we can go and see somebody has denied. Okay, Shahid has been denied, so I should not give him this permission. Okay, so in this case also deny is useful. And also if we deny, okay, here, then we have this group login also. No, as I said, like here I have Shahid login, Suresh login, and Ramesh login. If we have 3 4 logins here, we that all are part of DBA team. Okay, 3 Windows group login. So if I deny for particularly Ramesh login here, okay, and if I give other here any roles, okay, security admin or server admin for example. So in group only for user, okay, individual login for Ramesh, if I go here and I will deny him, then deny if he use that shutdown if you run that shutdown command, then SQL won't shut down. Okay, in that way also it is useful. Okay, for individual person we can deny. Okay, in if we provide in group also, individual DBA team he is here. Okay, if we have DBA team, then we can that option is very useful for us. Okay, so hope you have understood that as well. Now we'll be going and will be I will be explaining this grant with grant. Okay, so what is that actually means? So I will cancel this. I will create login one L1, L2, L3. Okay, for example, I am creating now L1. Right click new login. L1 every okay, here I am creating now, and I'm giving same 1 2 3 4 here. I will uncheck this enforce password policy 1 2 3 4 tab 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I'm going to securable now. I'll be searching that specific object. I means this the server here instance. Okay, so I'll be getting all permissions. Okay, here. So now what I am doing here, I am giving a shutdown. Okay, with the grant. Okay, this L1 can give to L2. I will be creating L2 login as well. Okay, so now he has given. Okay, I am giving to L1. Okay, Shahid is giving to L1. Now right click and login, new login. If I have L2 user here, so first I will give password here, SQL authentication. I will enforce this. Okay, 1 2 3 4. I am going to I will be only creating login because I have to create. Okay, I am with sysadmin. L1 cannot create any login. He has only shutdown permission. Okay, I have given only with that securables. Okay, means so in securables permissions can be given. Okay, in fixed server roles we have to add the member. Okay, so we can have to say that is the correct word, and I am clicking OK. Okay, so it is dummy. L2 is also dummy. Nothing is there. I am creating L3. No. L3 login. 1 2 3 4. So L3 also dummy login. I have not given anything. Okay. In securables. Here L2 doesn't have anything and L3 also doesn't have anything. L1 has shutdown permission. He has a grant and with grant. Okay, I have granted him. He can grant to others also. So what I am going to do here, I will disconnect from here. So I am connecting with L1 login here. Now L1 has connected. Okay. So see here in security, if I expand here, L1 cannot view L2, L3 also because he doesn't have any security admin permission or any sysadmin permission. So then how to give him permission? With command only he had to give. Okay, L1. Now Shahid has given L1 that grant and with grant for shutdown permission. Okay. So L2 is dummy login here. I will connect with L2 as well. 2 3 4. I connected to L2 and I will connect with L3 as well. So all connection means with all three logins I have connected here. Now I had L1 should take new query because if I expand here in security logins I can't say L2 L3. Okay, so I had to do with command only. Grant a shutdown to have to open the square bracket L2 with the grant option. So if you run this, see now L2 has shutdown permission and he can grant to L3 as well. Okay, same thing I will copy here. Now I am opening this L2. I had to open with this L2. Okay, new query. If you see your connection, L2 has now connected. Now you can grant something. Grant a shutdown to L3. Okay. With the grant is okay. I will try with this. Now L2 has given. Okay. And L2 has given to L3. Now all three has this permission. Okay. Now what I have to do, I will connect with my user with Windows authentication Shahid. And now I am connecting. Okay. So I can't revoke. Okay. Revoke shutdown from L1 here. See if I try also, you can't revoke shutdown from. See if you observe guys, it is showing as completed, but it should not be because it should means L1 has given L2, L2 has given L3. There is a chain link, right? So it should not complete this command successful. We'll check with GUI opening the security logins L3 login. Okay. Now if I go to securables, then here see here also it is there grant connect SQL. I think in 2022 it has changed some things. I hope. Okay, I will be checking with this L3. Yeah, if you see here, still it has not been revoked from L3. L2 I will check now. If you go to securable, also from L2 it has not been revoked, but it is showing as it has been completed successfully, revoked successfully, but it has not done. Okay, if I go to L1 also here, see if I see here it is shut down, means shutdown it is there. Okay, from L1 might be some bug. So if you use this cascade option only, you have to, if you want to revoke from L1, L2, L3, everything, you have to use cascade option. Okay, so then only now it will be revoked. Okay, if I go right click refresh, then again you open L2, some one login will be opening here. So if you go here securable, if you go and check here, see now it should be revoked. Okay, something is went wrong. So okay, leave it. You might have understood this concept because it has to you have to use cascade every time. It should break the chain. Okay, then only it will be revoked. I think some patches has to be applied on this. It might be some bug or something like that. So hope you all might have understood that concept. Okay, so again I will go to next topic. Okay. So one more thing, here we have seen for the server admin, right? What if we give permission to log L1 for as a sysadmin? Okay, I'm giving L1 as sysadmin here, and from other end in securables I am denying shutdown here. Okay, and denying shutdown. Okay, so now L1 has sysadmin rights, right? L1 has sysadmin rights now. So now you have to check, okay, whether he can shut down or not, because he is sysadmin. I will take new query. Okay, I will try to shut down. See, this server has been shut down now. Okay, because the sysadmin is very powerful. Nobody cannot deny for sysadmin. Okay, for only one permission in fixed server role. Okay, because everything sysadmin only create and collapse everything, because sysadmin has that authority, and it is very powerful, so we can't deny it. Okay, for other fixed server role we can deny it. Okay, as I shown you in previous example for server admin, this thing I wanted to explain. I will do one thing, I will disconnect here, simply it will cause again issue. I will connect with another instance. Okay, if I go here and I will browse for more, then I will be getting another instance here. Okay, 17 ASS I have, so I will be connecting here. So now another example. Okay, I am showing you impersonate. Okay, impersonate. So we have husband and wife. Okay, here login, I will create two logins as right click new login, or else I will be creating Ranveer. Okay, Ranveer and Deepika, like that we can create. So if we go here, I will give password, and by unchecking this enforce password policy, then now I have created Ranveer login. Okay, now I will be creating new login with Deepika, because these two are Bollywood actors and also got married couples. Okay, so what I'm trying to explain, I will be letting you know. Mm, so what I will be do is I will be providing Deepika full sysadmin rights. Okay, and here Ranveer is dummy login. What policy? I'm changing password here. Now Deepika is sysadmin in this instance. Okay. So now I will be creating with. I will what I will be doing here. Again here for Deepika. Sorry, I had to now now Ranveer is dummy login, right? I had to go to this Ranveer login and in securables you have to search for logins. Okay, you have to search for logins like this. If we search here, then you will be finding here Ranveer login. Okay, so you can impersonate here. You have to click on impersonate because uh, not Ranveer. Here Deepika login is there. No, you have to click on Deepika login here. Then you have to impersonate. Okay, impersonate means now Ranveer can impersonate. He can connect has Deepika here. So I will be showing that command execute as login. I will be giving Deepika here. Okay. Now Ranveer will connect with his okay with his dummy. Okay, I got it. I got it because it is in here. If I go and connect, okay, logins can be created with SA. Okay, what is the problem here? I have not changed it to mixed authentications here. If I go to security, if you see here, it is still in mixed mode. Okay, so I will be clicking. I am changing now to mixed mode. Okay, SQL and Windows both can enter to the SQL Server instance. So now I will be restarting from here for the time being purpose. Right click, restart. It is grayed out. Okay, I will be restarting from here itself. Right click. I have to restart. Okay, whenever you change the setting, this same thing server admin does. Okay, if we change the server setting, then restart is mandatory. So yeah, I will be having a shutdown and change instance level settings. You can change. Now if I refresh here, still services are getting started. Now Ranveer can log into his SQL authentication to this instance. Okay, I'll disconnect. Now I'm connecting again with Ranveer. Ranveer. Okay. You have to trust. Okay, it will check on that trust certificate. Then you'll be now executing as Alia. Okay. See, Ranveer has connected. If you take a new query here, you have to run one command. Okay, because I have impersonated Deepika for Ranveer. Okay, I have impersonated on this login for Deepika. Okay, so you have to run this command execute as Deepika. You can execute as Deepika now. Execute as login. You have to give login first. Login equal to Deepika. Now I have impersonated, right? So he can Ranveer can execute as login with Deepika. So if I run commands got successfully completed. Now if I create database here, right click, new database, okay. So you can't do here, you have to do in command based only. If I do also it will fail. See here, new database DB1, okay. So it is failed because without lack of permission. You know what he can do? He has to take this session only, create a database, okay, DB1. If you run this command, you can everything goes to the account of Deepika only. If I go and right click and refresh, if you see here DB1, okay, if you view this property, see now the Ranveer doesn't have, because he is dummy login, okay, he can't view the database only. How can he create the DB1 database? So here he has executed in the name of Deepika, and he's enjoying, okay, whatever he does, it will go in the name of account of Deepika only, okay. So this thing I wanted to explain. Also he can drop database, okay, drop database DB1. If I drop, we can drop also. See how powerful it is, that impersonate, but nobody will use this thing, okay, impersonate in environment. Some rare cases, okay, like in thousands you will be seeing any one ticket like that, not in thousand, also lakhs you can say. You will be not seeing very rare scenarios like 5% or 5% chances you can say, okay. So hope you might have understood that as well, impersonate. Now I will be explaining about this control server. From one side I will be giving means it is, control server is almost like a sysadmin only. So we can't control sysadmin, right? So we can control server, means it is also like sysadmin only. We can control by denying, okay. So I created this login now. What I will be doing here, I will disconnect here and I will be giving from my account itself, okay, because it would save our time. So that's the reason I will be connecting with my account only. I am going to connect here, and now the login L1 has been created. It is created by Ranveer, okay, but everything goes to account Ali, this Deepika. So if you go and view who has created this permission, you can check here. Means and if you go to this logs and all, you can check there who has created that and all, okay. So now what I will be doing here, I will be giving control server to L1, okay. So from other end I am denying here, so I am clicking OK. Then what control server does means you can shut down also, right? So I am denying. I had to connect with L1, okay. Now with SA login L1. So L1 has connected now. See, it's same like sysadmin, right? If I shut down, he can't shut down because I have denied, okay. So that is the useful feature of control server, because we can't give sysadmin to anyone, right? So sysadmin cannot be controlled, but control server can be controlled. So that is the thing I wanted to explain. See now, if you want to drop any database is not here, right? So I will be creating database with this Deepika. Means Ranbir is running this. It will go into account of Deepika. So if you right click refresh here, DB1 is created here. So if I drop database, now I am going to log in L1. I have connected here. Here if you see, means here it is Ranveer, okay, but it is impersonated by Deepika. To cause I will cancel this connection because it won't cause any confusion. So here L1 is there. Now I'm dropping the database DB1. So now if you refresh here, control server means you can drop the database as well. So this is also successful. You can create any login. So this command has been executed successfully because I have only denied for shutdown. If I no one deny, then this command also will be get successfully when I give shutdown command here. Okay. So it won't shut down here. So hope you have understood everything about this. Next I am going to discuss about the data roles. Same like fixed server roles, we have data row base rows. Okay, it is, we will call it as user. Whatever I have discussed till now, like fixed server roles, that is and all at login and instance level. Now next I will be going to discuss about database role. So that's all for today's class. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. Take care, guys.